Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this long, skinny gnome Christmas ornament. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 1. I'm going to carry my yarn end along the outside of the ring, that way I won't have to weave it in when I'm finished. Single crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. To work a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. Chain 1, single crochet in that same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch, yarn around the hook. Insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Single crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next. Single crochet in the next. Work all the way around, alternating single and double. Okay, I worked all the way around. I ended with a double crochet. That was my first single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. Now I'm working the pebble stitch, so you make a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row and a single crochet in the double. This was a single crochet, so chain 2, and that will count as a double crochet. So the next stitch is a double. I'm going to make a single. Double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, double, and single, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I ended with a single crochet. This was my chain 2, and it counts as a double crochet, so I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, like that. And that was a double, so I'm going to single. So chain 1 and single crochet in that same stitch. Double crochet in the next stitch. Single and double. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I ended with a double crochet. I want to decrease in this row, so I'm going to insert in the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then I'm going to slip stitch to join, not in the chain 1, but in that first single crochet. So this is a double crochet, so I'm going to make a single crochet, double in the next stitch, single, double, and repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm not going to work into those 2 stitches, so I'm just going to pull up a loop and pull up a loop, and then I'm going to slip stitch to join. And when I look at my row of stitches below, that's a single, so I'm going to have to work a double in that stitch, so that means I work a single in this stitch. So I've chained one and single crochet, double in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, double, and single all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm not going to work in the last 2 stitches, so I'm just going to pull up a loop in each one of those and then slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. So now that it's getting quite small, I'm just going to single crochet in the remainder of the stitches. So I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and I'm going to work as many rows as I want for how long I would like the hat to be. Okay, I've just worked a few rows of single crochet, so now I'm just going to close up the top of the hat. So I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. I'm going to do that until the top of the hat is closed. Skip, single, skip, single, and the top of the hat is closed. So now I'm going to chain a loop for hanging. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slip stitch down in the base of that chain and fasten off. And then you can weave the yarn end into the finished work, and that's the hat. To make the beard, you can either use regular worsted weight yarn, or you could use a lofty yarn such as this homespun yarn. And all I did was wind it approximately 20 times around my hand. Like that, I just wound it around 20 times, and then I tied it as a bundle, and these were loops, so then I just took my scissors and I cut open the loops. So you can use either lofty yarn or this regular worsted weight yarn. And then to finish up, you're simply going to take your bundle of yarn and tuck that up inside the hat. And then it's up to you. You can either stitch the beard in, or you could take some white glue and squeeze that inside. And then I have a wooden bead here, and I'm going to place that here. And again, you can either stitch that in or use white glue or even hot glue. And then you could decorate it any way you like. I have this iridescent star, so you could glue that on there. I have a couple of little sequins. You could glue those on the hat like that. And that's how easy it is to crochet this long, skinny gnome Christmas ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.